What up, you guys? It's your girl IbbyInspired, aka IbbyIbs, and as you guys can tell by today's title, we are going to be doing a natural hair wash day tutorial. Now, yes, I know, guys, don't judge me, please. As you guys can tell from the title, I also haven't washed my hair in about 3 months. So yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I rejuvenate and recover my natural hair. Now, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to join that IbbyInspired FamBam, and let's go ahead and get started. So first things first is taking out my braids, honey. Look at my dry scalp, honey. Who told me to leave my braids for this long? I is embarrassed, honey. Anyways, so I use this Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner spray, and I put a little bit of water in it, and I just pretty much just drench the heck out of my braids, because as you guys can see, they're as dry as the desert, and I just make sure that I have as much slip as possible to prevent any breakage, because y'all know, do you guys hear that? Like, that's how my braids are feeling right now. Oh my gosh, so dry. So I just use that to just drench, and I can guarantee you this product really works to help take your braids out and make sure there is as much slip as possible. A lot of times when we do get our braids after it's been a while, we get that dirt and oil and grease stuck at the base of our head, which, as you guys can see, I'm taking out now, and that's what causes so much breakage. So what you want to do is just take that leave-in conditioner or that water, whatever you have, drench it, and just keep drenching it until that dirt can slip out of your hair. And you really want to make sure that you are taking your time for this part, and I promise you, the more time you take on taking this dirt and oil out of your hair, the less breakage you're gonna get. I promise you, sis. Guys, the breakage that I did get from that area, it's really not that much. You know, just take your time. You're still gonna get some because it's been a few months, but sis, the goal is just to not have as much shedding or breakage as possible. Whoop whoop, yeah. I should do these voiceovers more. Anyways, so this is what we're looking like. As you guys can see, I went ahead and I sectioned off my hair, and I'm just gonna show you guys what my hair is actually looking like once these cornrows, these crusty cornrows, are all out. It's pretty, to be honest, guys. I mean, I did oil my scalp a little bit during these braids, but I really didn't oil them or moisturize them that much, and it really wasn't that bad. Now, what was bad was the shedding that I got. As you guys can see, this is 3 months worth of shedding, which is to be expected because literally I did not comb my hair, did not brush my hair, take it out at all. So don't be alarmed, guys. This is just 3 months of shedding. Ahead and start off with shampooing. We're gonna use the Natur-all Cleansing Avocado, and I really like this stuff because it keeps your hair moisturized, it doesn't strip. And of course, I just start at the base of my head from the scalp, and I let that shampoo hit the strands of my hair. It feels so good. As you guys can tell, I really needed this. This was way overdue. But yeah, go ahead and I section off my hair as well, and I just hit every section of my hair, and I just scrub that scalp, honey. I need a scrub. Damn, look at those muscles though. Yes. I am fresh out the shower, and you guys, I actually had heat damage that I did not know about. In order to get my cornrows, I actually did a blowout. I went to a salon, and yeah, I got some heat damage. So I am just like kind of surprised. So in the future, I will be showing you guys some recovery methods, I guess, which I didn't know about until today's video. But anyways, we're going to be using the Texture by Cantu, and this is a moisture mask. Oh my gosh, you guys, my 4C ladies, woo, you guys, say this product works wonders. I mean it. It will hydrate your hair, and not just 4C, I'm talking about 4B, 4A, any kinky textures. This product will moisturize your hair, I promise you. See, I am just redoing the sections as I go. I'm putting on the mask in each area, and I am just parting it into 4 sections of my head. It's officially all covered with the mask. As you can see, I have white hair, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on a plastic cap to lock in the moisture. I'm gonna go ahead, leave the cap on for 30 minutes, and I'll be right back. As you can see, the mask is out. I am now using the Natur-all Hydrating Avocado Conditioner. The Cantu mask really helped bring my curl pattern back somewhat. I still have heat damage in the back, but we're gonna make it work. Don't worry, y'all. I literally take this conditioner and I drench my hair with this conditioner. It just gives me life. It gives me body. It gives me that natural look that I need. Y'all see the back? Y'all see the back? It makes me feel a little bit better about the back. It really makes it easy to detangle your curls and your kinks. So out of all my products, I think this is one of the best. Behind the mask, after the mask, yes. I am back from the conditioner washout. I am putting out the Natur-all Hydrating Avocado Conditioner again, but I really meant to put up the leave-in conditioner, and the bottle looks exactly the same. So I'm using that. I'm using the avocado holding custard, which is like a styling cream, and I'm also using the avocado oil, both from Natur-all hair products. So you guys, I decided to just do a voiceover last minute. As you guys can see, this is what my hair looks like. It's literally reverted back to its 4C natural state, with the exception of some of the heat damage, as you guys can see. But I can guarantee you that the products that I use today always does get my hair back to its normal or natural self as much as possible. All I gotta say is don't try this at home, y'all. If you know you guys can wash your hair in any form possible, try not to wait as long as I did, because that did cause a lot of breakage. Want to see more videos like this, or if you guys want to see how I transition out of this heat damaged hair, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to that IbbyInspired FamBam, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.